Hey guys, okay, August the 7th, 2022. I'm really quickly going to give you this rundown. We're at about 23,300 for Bitcoin. We're at about $88 for oil right this minute. We are seeing Waves and ADA have a lot more volume on their cryptocurrency trade. Now, I don't know if you guys watch the movement in cryptocurrency is moving to the upside. That tells me this week possibly. Now, don't get me wrong, because you have to watch other indicators, but I think we're gonna have a really good movement in the stock market this week, if I were to guess. So I'm gonna continue to watch those indicators though, and I hope you guys will do that with me. Let's see, it's about 8 o'clock California time right now. Super excited to trade because I really think we're gonna see some movement, like see an ENPHASE and oil. So I'm gonna get up really early and we'll see what we do. We had some movement in Iraq. So we'll look at OPEC and see what's happening with that. You guys want to really keep a good eye on that because I really think that that's going to start to affect oil prices if it gets any worse. And there's a good possibility because I don't see a lot of structure going on within this crisis that looks like it's going to get any better. As a matter of fact, I really think there's a good chance that this could get much worse. I'm really surprised that the mainstream media hasn't really been talking about this. Shouldn't be surprised though, honestly, because it might freak people out when it comes to, hey, what's going to happen with our oil prices right here at home? And anything that happens within OPEC really does affect our oil prices, okay, guys? We're looking at Netherlands as well. When we are talking about oil prices, we're talking about the movement of everything. Our food, our supplies, our travel, all of it across the board. Travel to get food to us. And so I'm seeing truck drivers are being asked to take a little bit more money, hopefully some sign-on bonuses, a little more for men than there is for women. I think I've told you guys that before, but I think I believe that the structure of that is just, because men are a little, stronger. Sometimes I don't want to get into that, but yes, stronger, and they, women will need the help, of course, when you're talking about truck driving, but maybe they could do the driving side of it. You guys will know, truck driving wise, maybe you could tell me what that's about. But I would just imagine that that's what the case is. They don't like the women to go out by themselves, that kind of thing. And so we're looking at increased food prices, of course. If the Netherlands continue to see that their farms are going to be brought down and cut in half is really what we're looking at. What's going to happen with our food prices, guys? What's going to happen with our fertilizer? What's going to happen with everything that we produce to keep us going, to keep us alive? I understand that we're looking at possibly eating new bugs, different kinds of bugs with different kinds of flavors and very exciting stuff. New people coming out saying that that's a really great idea. You get a lot of protein from that. Wonderful. Okay, so I'm not really looking into like the stir fry, I don't know, crickets or whatever people are doing, but I really like to have an average normal meal like everybody else. That would be a new shift to our system, you guys, and I don't think people are going to be very happy about it. But okay, there it is for the week. The whole market look ahead thing, I'm going to be up really early tomorrow morning watching the 10-year yield. Oh wow, the 10-year yield, yes, of course, you guys. Okay, 10-year, let's talk about that for a second. Keep a really good eye on this, you guys. I know that if you guys watch Gregory, he'll talk about this with you as well. But the 10-year yield definitely, I absolutely believe the Fed is just moving money into the market as quickly as they can through their San Francisco office, through their DC office. They are both hiring right now. And I don't know if they're putting a lot of people in the system to maybe train some market movers and see if they have new structures about it, if they have any new ideas. So we'll see what happens with that. And so that's about it, guys. I will put on the end of this video maybe a little bit what happened this weekend. I hope you guys don't mind seeing that because I don't do like the video blog channel about vacationing anymore. I think I used to put a couple of videos out when I would go out, kind of like just get my headspace clear. And you guys saw that last week I was just like melting down. So it was time for me to get out a little bit. But okay, beyond that, much love to you all. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys later on this week, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Had a big weekend. Was able to go out and do my whale watching. Well,